Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. I think I'm uploading this on the day of my birthday or the day before my birthday, but I did this last year when I was in Paris. I basically just baked banana bread and then talked about 20 things that I learned at 20, and I'm turning 21 this year, so I'll be talking about 21 things that I've learned in my 21 years, and I will be making carrot cake today. And I've never tried this recipe before, but I'm really excited. I will link everything down below. So let's just get started. I'm just gonna get on with baking and also trying to tell you guys what I learned in these 21 years. Number one, you can. And I believe in that so much that I got it tattooed on myself. Link down below if you want to watch the vlog of that happening. I got it tattooed in Hong Kong, but yeah, you can. Number two is your happiness is the most important thing and should always be your number one priority. Number three, sleep is so important. Wow. Like, having 7 to 9 hours of sleep makes honestly all the difference in the world. Number four, self-love is easy to lose and hard to gain. Number five, it's okay if things don't go according to plan. And this is something I am still learning. Number six, learn to prioritize what's important. For example, this year I prioritized my health and exercise, and I literally worked out at least 5 times a week ever since January. So if it matters to you, you're gonna make time to prioritize it and to make it happen. Number seven, growth is normal and welcome, but don't forget who you are and what made you the person that you are today. Number eight, don't force yourself to love something that you just don't. And if it's just not for you, it's not for you. But hey, at least you gave it a try. Number nine, it's okay to indulge from time to time. Number 10, I feel like this is a repeat from last year, but life is too short to not do what you really want to do. Number 11, people are really good at putting up a front, and because of that, you never know what someone's going through. So try not to judge, don't judge, and just, stay neutral. You do you. Number 12, family is everything. Number 13, I get bored really quickly, which is not always the greatest thing, but number 14, buy flowers for yourself. I, for some reason, stopped buying flowers for myself because it was something I used to do a lot, but then I stopped, and one day I just really wanted some flowers, so I got them, and I remember why I used to buy them for myself, so do it more. Number 15, trying to be healthy is probably gonna be, or being healthy is probably gonna be the hardest thing that you will ever do, but it's very important. But it's hard. But it's so important that it's worth it, because your health is the one thing in your life that will just always be there, and you just gotta take care of it. So eat healthy, eat as healthy as you can, exercise, get sleep. Self-care is important too. As I'm making carrot cake, because in reference to number 9, it's okay to indulge from time to time. Number 16, discomfort drives change. If there's a situation where you know you're gonna be uncomfortable, honestly, I say go in head first to that situation, because chances are you're gonna grow and learn so much from it. And if you are not comfortable, you're not changing. If you're not changing, you're not growing. So number 17, good music makes all the difference. Okay, so I poured the batter into the cake pan now, and before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna leave you guys with number 18, which is you can't do it all on your own. So I put a lot of pressure on myself to be able to accomplish things by myself, on my own, no one's help. But I learned that asking for help does not necessarily mean that you can't do it alone or you can't do it by yourself, but just that sometimes having help just makes it better and makes it easier and makes whatever you're doing probably better than if you were to do it all by yourself. So with that being said, putting this in the oven, hoping for the best. Hello, I'm back. And I'm wearing this huge coat, but the cake is done. And it looks beautiful. It's a little burnt on top, not burnt, but like kind of brown on top, but apparently it's fine. So I'm gonna take it out of this and let it cool. But I actually have to go buy frosting. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back and finish it off with my last 3 things that I've learned at 21. Hello, so I'm back and I have the cream cheese frosting. I also took the cake out of its cooling situation and I'm gonna try and cut it in half and then frost it and then put the top half back on and do the whole thing. So hopefully this goes well. All right, so moving on to number 19. The 19th thing that I've learned is changing why to how. So instead of being like, oh, why is someone better than me? Or like, why is she getting a better grade than me? Or why does she do better in this? Changing that to how did she do it? And then that kind of changes your whole mindset with comparison and just, you know, having a better attitude with things. My 20th thing is that things that matter don't come easy. And with this last letter, I finished. Look at it. So this is the cake. And my 21st thing is I've lived 21 years and life feels long sometimes, but it goes quick. So if you don't stop to live in the moment, it'll be gone before you know it. And here's my cake. So I am gonna try this later tonight. I'll try and get a reaction, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!